guys, this is Tharmi. Let's jump into the story. Newly married couple. Story of man who experienced a life-changing event at airport. While he was waiting there to pick up his friend, as the man was trying to locate his friends at airport, he noticed a man coming toward him carrying his bags and stopped right next to him. After reaching his family, he first motioned to his younger son, 6 years old, and they gave each other a long and loving hug. As the separated father said to his son, "It's so good to see you, son. I missed you so much." His son replied softly, "Me too, Dad." Now, the man stooped up to his elder son, 10 years old, and holding his son's face in his hands with love, he said, "I love you so much, Zach." And the two hugged lovingly. While all this was happening, man saw a baby girl, 1-year-old, excitedly in her mother's arm, never taking eyes off his returning father. While the man gently took his baby girl from his wife, he said, "Hi, baby girl," and kissed her all over and held her close to his chest. The little girl instantly got relaxed and laid on her father's shoulder. After having some moments with his daughter, he handed little girl to the oldest son and said, "I have saved best for last," and proceeded to give his wife most passionate kiss and silently said, "I love you so much." While holding each other's hand, they gave each other big smiles. For an instant, it seemed like they were like newly married couple, but looking at their children, man knew that it couldn't be possible. Man, waiting for his friend, suddenly felt uncomfortable, but couldn't resist himself from asking, "Wow, how long you'd have been married?" He replied, "Been together for 14 years and married for 12 of those." Now, out of curiosity, man asked, "How long you have been away?" 2 whole days. Man replied, still beaming with his joyous smile. Man was stunned to her, 2 days. As looking at the intensity of greeting, he already assumed that person had been gone for weeks at least, if not months. Amazed by the love and affection of couple, even after so many years, man mumbled to himself, "I hope my marriage is still that passionate after 12 years. The man who just met his family suddenly stopped smiling and looked into eyes of man and told him something. He said, "Don't hope my friend decide," and shook hands with him saying, "God bless." So guys, love each other's. Never mind when did you married someone. Fresh start makes fresh life. Okay, buddies, we will see our next story. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon to get my new stories notifications. Have a good day.